pas trop moi, tout ce qui comme ça. Pas tout ce oh, c'est traître ici. Là.
Ah ouais.
Il y a du trash de partout.
Oh, trop vite. Oh, aïe. Wow. Oh, oh shit. La semaine dernière donc ça va. Ah, cette année ça rigole pas, hein. J'ai vu. Vous êtes bon hein. L'année dernière. Ouais, c'est ça, ouf. C'est bon.
Pendant la course, vous allez entendre tout pour les gars. Musculaire qui va partir à 9h10. Vous êtes bien d'accord? Et ensuite vous partez de minute en minute.
Allez, 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 allez.
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 J'aurais une radio, il y en a une, ouais. On va la chercher dans la...
Allez.
C'est parti.
Allez, 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 allez.
Wow. Wow, trop vite hein. Wow. Ah, ça passe là. Wow. Wow, ça glisse. Oh putain. Ciao, merci. Bonne chance. Oh merde. Ah putain. Ah. Oh. Oh, j'en peux. Merde. Ah, je vois rien avec la buée. Oh. Ah putain. Ah pardon. Désolé. Putain. Ah, pardon. Vas-y. Ah putain. Ah putain. Ah je suis deg. Ah je suis tombé à la fin. Oh non. Putain.
C'est un petit truc.
Ah mec, je suis tombé 3 fois.
Je viens de voir là.
Ça fait une cave.
Ah, t'es tombé dans l'arbre.
Ouais, 2 fois je suis tombé là.
J'ai fait le même que toi.
Oh putain, et après je me suis pris les rochers à bloc là. Je me suis pris les pédales.
Mec, je sais pas pourquoi je regardais à cet endroit-là, à ce moment-là. Je t'ai vu passer par-dessus lui.
Eh, je suis tombé 2 fois. Elle comprenait rien.
This song has a pretty long intro. Just be patient.
Je peux y aller?
Lavender in my sense. Always throwing some lemongrass. Got faux fur on my bed. Got a 50-inch on the wall. Got a studio down the hall. Got a love sofa in the corner case. Wanna fuck around and get wet. Got window seats with the shit. Got a living room with the views. And I drop cable, turn the cord cut, and got some vibe speed in this bitch. Like 26 with no kids. Like 26 with no bitch. My mom, stepdad, and Marcus Ryan all got keys to my crib. And I haven't worn a shirt in like days. Jeff Smith swish. I don't fuck with no J's. I don't fuck with no jeans. I don't fuck with no games. I don't fuck with no streams. I don't follow no trends. And I don't understand the hype behind Fortnite for 2 weeks into this. I don't care about y'all. I don't care about y'all. Look, it's fuck your mom. And it's fuck your dad. And it's fuck your kids. And it's fuck your job. And it's fuck your bitch. And it's fuck your guy. I just wanna make it clear to all of y'all that your feelings can suck my dick. I've been in chill mode. Chill mode. I ain't been talking to no one, I've been in my chill mode. All of my peers have been talking about things that they're real though. When none of them even got lives and that's on the real though. Shut off your phone, shut off your phone. Get off the couch, get out the house. You ain't got shit to say. You ain't got shit to say. You ain't got shit to say. Why you always gotta say? A lot of debt for a dropout. A whole lot. A bad rap with the cops. Cause I don't follow laws. Dropped a song a week last year. A few months and then I quit. I was waking up at 5 for some dude to watch me piss. Cause I got caught up with drugs. I ain't bragging, that shit suck. I'm just saying I still drive. Even with my full-time job. So when I log into Twitter and everybody want a bitch, I can't help but think like dog. Y'all can hashtag suck my dick. And I ain't been one for the face. you deserve a fucking pass. Talking to yourselves became a trend, and I still always end up getting tagged. I don't give a fuck about this rap. Every song I listen to is trash. Tired of all these work retweets about features I don't give a fuck about. I've been on the motherfucking cusp. Y'all on everybody else's nuts. Y'all be so concerned about some buzz. You come across as insecure as rust. Wrote you rap, you saying you made the beat. It's probably why your shit all sound the same. Used to listen when you used to speak, but now it's like the fuck you gotta say me. I shouldn't even get involved. All you bitches do is have debates. Y'all be so impressive with your words when you ain't looking someone in the face. Wonder what it's like to have the time and let that shit all go to fucking waste. Always doing things you shouldn't try, never doing anything you say.
Oh non.
Wonder I'm alive. I know I've been gone for a while. Trust I'm alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. College rapper, college rapper, just college rapper, college rapper. I'm still alive. Bitch, I'm still alive. Bitch, I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I know you're impatient. Please be patient. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Bitch, I'm still alive. Tell me when I'm gone. I'm never really gone. No, 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 no. Bitch, I'm still alive. Ooh, I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, I'm so alive. I don't wanna.
Premier, pas.
Comme ouais.
Allez, très rapide, on a pour allez, 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 allez.
Allez, allez, allez. Allez, 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 allez. Allez, go, allez, go, allez. C'est plein d'eau. Allez, allez, allez. Allez, allez. Allez, allez, allez. Allez, allez, allez. Allez, Théno, allez, Théno. Allez, 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 allez. Allez, allez. Allez. Allez, Titi, allez, Titi. Non.
Qui a pu gagner? Est-ce que je rappelle quelqu'un ou est-ce qu'il est sur le podium? Il est sur le podium et il s'appelle comment? Dimitri Tordo. Donc un gyroboam offert par Isabelle Couage, voilà, gyroboam de Rosé.